1975 Lincoln Cent coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1975 Lincoln Cent, a coin that might look ordinary at first glance, but has some surprises for collectors. While most 1975 pennies are common, high-grade specimens and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, and auction prices. You might just have a valuable one in your collection. History of the 1975 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, when it was first introduced to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the coin's obverse has remained almost unchanged for over a century. By 1975, the U.S. was experiencing economic challenges, including inflation and a rise in metal costs. While the penny was still being struck in its 95% copper and 5% zinc/tin composition, discussions about switching to cheaper metals were beginning, leading to the zinc-coated steel cents of 1982. The U.S. Mint produced the 1975 Lincoln Cent at 3 locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 5,451,476,142 minted. Denver Mint, D, mint mark, 4,505,275,300 minted. San Francisco Mint, proofs, S, mint mark, 2,845,450 minted. While these mintages were high, finding high-grade examples or rare errors can make a 1975 penny very valuable. Design of the 1975 Lincoln Cent. The design of the 1975 Lincoln Cent follows the same structure as previous years, but it remains one of the most iconic designs in U.S. coinage history. Obverse, front side, features the right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner in 1909. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust," above Lincoln's head, "Liberty" to the left, the year 1975 to the right, a D mint mark for Denver, or S mint mark for San Francisco may be present. Coins from Philadelphia have no mint mark. Reverse, backside, features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo in 1959, replacing the original wheat ears design. The inscriptions include, "United States of America," along the top, "E pluribus unum," above the Lincoln Memorial, 1 cent, at the bottom. This design remained in use until 2008, when the Mint introduced 4 special Lincoln bicentennial reverses in 2009, followed by the Shield reverse in 2010. Rarity and value of the 1975 Lincoln Cent. The value of a 1975 penny depends on its condition, grade, and whether it has rare errors. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, $0.01. Slightly better condition, 2 cents, $0.05 cents. Billions of these pennies were produced. Circulated examples hold little premium value unless they have an error. Uncirculated condition, mint state grades, MS60 to MS64, $1, $5 MS65, nice luster, few marks $10, $15 MS66, well struck. Highly collectible $50, $100 MS67, near perfect condition, scarce in this grade $500, $1, 500 MS68, extremely rare, almost perfect $5,000 plus auction highlight. A 1975 D Lincoln Cent graded MS67 plus by PCGS sold for over $1,800. 1975 S proof Lincoln Cent, San Francisco Mint, S, mint mark, PR67 deep cameo, $5, $10 PR68 deep cameo, $15, $30 PR69 deep cameo, $50, $100 PR70 deep cameo, perfect grade $500, $1,000 plus rare errors and varieties of the 1975 Lincoln cent. Some 1975 Lincoln cents contain mint errors that make them highly valuable. Here are a few to watch for. 1. 1975 double die obverse DDO or reverse DDR. Some 1975 pennies show doubling in the inscriptions or design elements, especially in Liberty or the date. A strong double die can make a coin worth $100 to $1,000 or more. 2. 1975 off-center strike. If a penny is struck off-center, the value depends on how much of the design is missing. A 10% off-center strike might be worth $50 to $100, while a 50% off-center strike could sell for $500 plus. 3. 1975 broad strike error. A penny without a rim due to a striking misalignment. These errors can be worth $50 to $300, depending on the condition. 4. 1975 Lincoln cent struck on a foreign planchet. Some pennies were mistakenly struck on dime, nickel, or foreign planchets. If you find a lighter or different colored penny, it could be an error worth $500, $5,000. If you think you have an error coin, getting it authenticated by PCGS, NGC, or Annex is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1975 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1975 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, double dies, off-center strikes, and broad strikes can be worth big money. Get it graded. If you have a high grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1975 Lincoln cent is a common coin, but high-grade specimens and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1975 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!